we'll start over here with the balancing and control section. If we go in there, it's a very simple part of the tool to use. You simply need a flow rate to predetermine what a valve type might be. So if, for instance, we're going to look for something, say 1500 litres per hour, and we're looking for a particular valve size. So at the moment it happens to be preset to pressure independent balancing and control valves. It's giving us a TA modulator here at DN25. It's suggesting in green that this should be the correct one. And you'll see here, this is the presetting already to determine what your design flow rate should be, given your parameter that you've put in here. And it's also telling you what the minimum delta P should be on that PIBCV in order to ensure that the delta P controller is going to stabilize the flow at your parameter that you've put in here. Perhaps it's not a PIBCV we want, so perhaps it's something like an STAD. So if we click on STAD, it's going to give us all the possible selections here, so it's quite useful. It gives you some of the sizes above and below the recommended sizes, which allows you to make some sort of manual selection here if you choose to. If you're taking the recommended setting here, which is 3 kPa at 100% open and at half opening here, so this is the perfect valve, if you like, an STAD star. And you can see here that we have our old valves showing. We're not hiding any of the deleted range of valves, so the old STAD is still being shown in here. If I click on the valve itself, it will automatically take me through to the presetting calculator for the valve. So pretty quick way of going back and forth to selecting your presettings for the valves. If I click on the home tab again, it will take me straight back to my valve selection. With certain products in here, there is a requirement to do additional calculations. So for instance, STAP, we can use the flow rate here to determine what size of STAP should be, but please be sure to follow up with the requirements for the delta PL of your circuit. So in other words, yes, it is an STAP DN25, but you should select the spring capacity on the valve as well for stabilizing the differential pressure. And to do that, we would need to know what the delta P for the circuit is. So some products you'll need to take an additional step, and be sure to consult the data sheets when you do this.